FreshBooks Accounting for Business, Honest Review, Watch Before Using. Welcome to this review of FreshBooks. Today, we're diving into the ins and outs of this accounting software to help you decide if it's right for your business. Remember, I've added links to FreshBooks in the description if you want to check it out further. FreshBooks is a cloud-based accounting tool built primarily for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who need a reliable way to manage invoicing, expenses, time tracking, and financial reports, all without the learning curve of complex accounting software. It's designed to be user-friendly, even if you're not a financial expert. One of its best features is automated invoicing, which allows you to create professional invoices quickly, set up recurring invoices for repeat clients, and even automate late payment reminders. Plus, it gives clients easy ways to pay online, which can improve your cash flow. For expense tracking, FreshBooks lets you snap receipts on the go and categorize them right from your mobile app or desktop, ensuring you stay organized. The time tracking feature is particularly valuable for service-based businesses or freelancers. It logs hours directly into your projects, which you can then transfer seamlessly into client invoices. Additionally, FreshBooks offers detailed reporting, including profit and loss statements, tax summaries, and balance sheets. These insights can help you make informed financial decisions and better manage your cash flow. It also integrates with popular tools like Shopify, Stripe, G Suite, and more, making it easier to connect FreshBooks with your existing business operations. FreshBooks is ideal for those who want an all-in-one solution for their accounting needs without needing a finance background. It's less suited for large businesses with complex accounting needs, but is perfect for most small and medium-sized businesses. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe and like this video to support the channel and help others discover useful information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.